Make sure these cute chocolate pudding biscuits are on your to-do list this Christmas. To make the dough, add the butter, sugar, and eggs in a large bowl and use an electric mixer to beat until just combined. Add the flour, cocoa, vanilla, and almond extract and beat until the mixture just comes together. Next, lightly dust a clean work surface with a little extra flour. Turn the dough onto the floured surface and use the heel of your palm to gently knead until smooth. Shape into a disc and cover with plastic wrap and pop in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. This rests the dough and makes it easier to roll out later. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees, then line a baking tray with baking paper. Dust your work surface with a little more flour. Then use a rolling pin to roll the dough out until 3 mm thick. Use a 7 cm round pastry cutter to cut discs from the dough. Place the discs on the lined tray. Then re-roll any excess dough and repeat rolling and cutting. When you've used up all the dough, you should have about 30 biscuits. Pop them in the oven to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. When the biscuits are light golden, remove them from the oven and set aside on the tray to cool. Lightly dust a clean work surface with icing sugar. Roll out the white icing using a 7 cm pastry cutter to cut 15 discs from the icing. Use a small sharp knife to cut a curvy line down the centre of each disc to make icing drips, just like this. Brush half of each biscuit with a little honey, then top with the white icing shapes to make mini puddings. Dust your work surface with a little more icing sugar and roll out the green icing. And use a holly cutter or a small sharp knife to cut out the holly leaves. Lightly brush with water and attach to the white icing on the biscuit. Roll the red icing into little balls to make berries. Lightly brush with water and attach to the holly leaves. Set biscuits aside to set. Spread some holiday cheer with these irresistible chalky biscuits. Box them up for the perfect homemade gift.